Good day and welcome to the SMC News for January 2025. I am Blessing Bolaji. SMC graduated 114 students at the 21st PAU Convocation Ceremony that was held in Lekki campus on the 6th and 7th of December 2024. The undergraduate convocation was held on the 6th, while the postgraduate convocation ceremony was held on the 7th respectively. The convocating SMC students were made up of 45 information science and media studies students, 30 mass communication students, 29 Modular MSc in media and communication students, 6 masters in film production students, and 4 PhD in media and communication students. The valedictorian, Tomilola Adeniran, who graduated from the Information Science and Media Studies Department, was awarded the Best Graduating Student of the Year with a CGPA of 4.98, while Blessing Bolaji of the Year 4 Mass Communication class received the first ever Michael Okolo Corporate Communications Essay Award. Congratulations to both of them. The Professional Education Department's graduation ceremony for 2024 was held on the main campus on the 29th of November 2024. A total of 51 participants graduated from the Executive Program in Advertising 6, the Media Entrepreneurship Program, and MTN Media Innovation Program Executive Programs. The guest speaker of the graduation ceremony was Professor Emeka Osuji. He spoke on the topic, Monetization of Media Resources in Dynamic Times. The Film and Multimedia Studies Department organized and hosted a stop-motion animation workshop that was held in the Abuja Hall on the 9th of December 2024. The workshop featured filmmaker and the creative director of Radio City, Mrs. Esther Kemi Gbadamosi. Mrs. Gbadamosi spoke about her career as a stop-motion animator and taught the students how to go about creating industry-standard stop-motion animation. On the 18th of January 2025, 169 students were matriculated into the School of Media and Communication during the 11th PAU matriculation ceremony that took place in the Abuja Hall of the main campus on the 18th of January 2025. The SMC matriculating students were made up of 39 Film and Multimedia Studies students, 72 Information Science and Media Studies students, and 58 Mass Communication students. On the 4th of December 2024, the Year 3 ISMS students had the privilege of listening to a lecture delivered by the Managing Director and co-founder of Narrative Landscape Press, Ms. Anwuli Ojogu, who came as a guest lecturer to the book publishing class. Ms. Ojogu's lecture was titled, The Business of Publishing, Understanding How the Book Industry Works. After a lecture, Ms. Ojogu promised to donate the entire volume of Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie's books, published by her firm, to PAU Library. Her visit was facilitated by the Dean of SMC, Dr. Ikechukwu Obiaya. Dr. Folakemi Ogungbe and Dr. Chiemela Ogbona attended the 7th edition of the Kano Indigenous Language Film Festival that was held in Kano from the 25th of November to the 1st of December 2024. Dr. Folakemi Ogungbe attended as a third-time member of the jury for the festival. She was also a masterclass resource person, and she presented a paper at the festival conference titled Inclusivity or Business: The Boom of Epic Indigenous Language Films on Netflix, Niger. Early in January 2025, the Center for Media and Communication Research welcomed its first doctoral fellow in the person of Dr. Yusuf Muazu. Dr. Muazu is an alumnus of the University of Maiduguri, the Advanced Writing and Reporting Skills, and the Media Entrepreneurship Program. His wealth of experience in broadcast journalism, strategic communication, and public relations in private and public organizations is believed to be a valuable addition to the School of Media and Communication. The fellowship will run for 6 months, from January 2025 to July 2025. On the 22nd of January 2025, executives of Rushing Tap Studios, RTS, came to the main campus to meet with staff of PAU and SMC in order to sign a Memorandum of Understanding with SMC, which included SMC benefiting from the technical expertise and consultation to be provided by RTS for managing and equipping our studios located on the main campus, RTS providing a convenient location to offer SMC students the opportunity of experiencing a state-of-the-art studio for contemporary studio production, and SMC benefiting from discounted rates provided by RTS for equipment rental and studio use, amongst others. And that's all the news we have for January 2025. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media platforms for more news and information in and around the School of Media and Communication. Our motivational quote for this month is by Alexander Graham Bell, and it goes thus: "The sun's rays do not burn until brought to a focus. Concentrate all your thoughts upon the work you have at hand." Thank you.